Hi, welcome back to the channel. Let's use this question to see how much of standard form you can remember. I'd like you pause this video, take a look at this question, then come back to see my solution. Hi, welcome back. Our question wants us to simplify this expression 0.35 times 10 raised to power 5 over 0.4 times 10 raised to power 7. Now, if you look at this expression, now our question wants us to leave our answer in standard form. First and foremost, I want us to take this to standard form. That becomes 3 times 10 raised to power minus 1. I've only expressed 0.3 in standard form. Now, times 10 raised to power 5 over 4 times 10 raised to power minus 1. I'm expressing 0.4 again in standard form times 10 raised to power 7. Now this is the same thing as 3 times 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 from our simple indices over 4 times 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 7. So that this becomes 3 times 10 raised to power 4 over 4 times 10 raised to power 6. Now I can easily express this as 3 over 4 times 10 raised to power 4 minus 6 from indices. Here I have 10 raised to power 4 and here I have 10 raised to power 6. Now note that my division changed to minus. Now this becomes 3 over 4 times 10 raised to power minus 2. 3 over 4 is the same thing as 0.75. This times 10 raised to power minus 2. Now don't make a mistake to leave your solution in this form. The examiner wants you to change it to standard form. Now to change this to standard form, I'm going to express my 0.75 in standard form. That's the same thing as 7.5 times 10 raised to power minus 1. Now times 10 raised to power minus 2, which is the same thing as 7.5 times 10 raised to power minus 1 minus 2. That becomes 7.5 times 10 raised to power minus 3. Now, with this, I have finally expressed this expression in standard form. I hope you understand how I went through this. You can see our further lessons on indices in the description below. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.